Recording.
Check this out. We get to go through here with the motorcycle gang. How cool is this? We're like real life bikers now. I absolutely feel like I'm part of a South Park. Yeah, definitely part of a South Park episode. Blah 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 blah. Potato, 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 potato. Don't go too fast. Don't go too fast. Oh, you made it. You made it. Someday I'm going to buy a Harley. No, I'm not. No, I'm not. This part of 129 is kind of cool until you get to the lake. I had a really bad crash right here. All that gravel over there coming the other direction was out in the road. I hit it on a Concourse 14. Those dummies at State Farm actually rebuilt the bike. It was total. That bike was bad. He's revving his engine. Get away from that nonsense. Nothing worse than following a Harley. Yeah, I feel the two motorcycles I saw earlier are the two that dude was talking about. But here's like the beginning of the lake. So I'm not going to make you guys watch this. This is just boring through here. So chat later. Bye.